Okay, you really can't see it, but way up in there, there it is, sort of. There's a hole that this bulkhead fitting goes into. And every video I've seen, there was a rubber gasket that went between this outside edge and the clip, but I don't see one on here. And my hose was disconnected. I apparently did that when I blew compressed air through it. So I did what everybody else was doing. There was a little plug on the end of this that I guess was to keep things from crawling up in there, but everybody cuts them off. And then they stick a tube in it. I'm going to use this straw. And you take it and run the edge out past where the grommet is so that the water doesn't have a chance to leak out around the bulkhead to, I guess, this backing, which is the only seal that I've got on mine. Getting it out wasn't a problem. Just reached in there with a pair of real long needle nose pliers. Picked these up at Lowe's. Worked really well, but getting that sucker back in through that little gap, that's going to be fun. So we'll see how that goes later. Got the plug back on the end of the hose, and I put a little zip tie on it, and there's my little straw sticking out past the end so that it'll just completely bypass the bulkhead. Now I just got to try and feed it down through that hole and then try to get it pushed into the hole in the bulkhead. That's where the fun's going to be. So well, that actually turned out to be easier than I thought. Once you put the hose in, it kind of located the bulkhead plug right in front of the hole. So I was able to take a long screwdriver and push it home. So now we're going to see if we have stopped the leak. Okay, well, I've poured about a half a gallon of water down the drain, and we're not getting any drips in the interior, and it looks like it's all coming out at the bottom where it's supposed to. Wow. Yeah, I did a search on YouTube, and there's actually quite a few videos of people doing this fix, because this apparently is a common problem on these cars. If you took us to a dealer, they say you're looking anywhere from $600 to $1,000 to fix this. And I fixed it for, I don't know, I had to buy a pair of pliers and a can of, tube of silicone seal, and yeah, that's about it. Used an old plastic straw I had laying around. So now I just got to put all the trim back on, put the weather strip back in, and call this job done. Later.